In a recent Ask Me Anything session on February 20th, Vitalik Buterin didn't hold back. When asked about his frustrations with the crypto industry, he shared a candid perspective that many insiders are too afraid to voice. Vitalik expressed disappointment over the criticism that Ethereum is bad and intolerant simply because it doesn't embrace blockchain-based casinos. He argued that while other chains claim to be more open by accepting every application, even gambling, their approach might compromise the ethical framework that Ethereum has long championed. This isn't just about technology, it's about the core values that define a community. Imagine a world where every new application is accepted without a second thought, where commercial interests blur the line between innovation and exploitation. Vitalik fears that if this trend continues, the entire spirit of decentralization could be overshadowed by profit-driven models. Perhaps the most disappointing thing for me recently was when someone said that Ethereum is bad and intolerant because we don't respect the casinos on the blockchain enough. Buterin's words cut straight to the heart of the matter. His comment reveals a deeper concern, that the crypto industry might be trading its high-minded ideals for quick wins and superficial inclusivity. He warns that if we continue down this path, valuing every application regardless of its ethical implications, we risk losing what made the blockchain revolution so promising in the first place. Vitalik challenges us to question, are we sacrificing our principles for the sake of rapid adoption and market competition? For Vitalik, it's not simply a matter of accepting or rejecting a particular type of application. It's about preserving the integrity of the technology and the community that stands behind it. His stance calls for a critical reassessment of what values we want to uphold in this rapidly evolving digital frontier. Despite the online noise, Buterin finds solace in personal interactions. He recalls that face-to-face meetings and genuine conversations with fellow crypto enthusiasts have reaffirmed his belief in Ethereum's core values. In these interactions, he sees a community that isn't driven by sensationalism or profit at any cost. Instead, Ethereum supporters are passionate about creating a decentralized future that serves broader, more altruistic purposes. Buterin's commitment to his community is unwavering. He emphasizes that abandoning these principles isn't an option. Rather, he calls on every member of the Ethereum ecosystem to collaborate, debate, and help shape the future of the blockchain space, one that doesn't compromise on its ethics. In addition to his critique of blockchain gambling, Buterin's recent comments come at a time of significant change within the Ethereum Foundation itself. The foundation, which once relied on selling Ether to fund its operations, faced heavy criticism from community members. On January 20th, questions were raised about the ethics of liquidating assets in a volatile market, an action some argued undermined the very decentralized principles Ethereum was built upon. In response, the foundation made a bold move on February 13th. They allocated 45,000 ETH, worth roughly $120 million, into leading DeFi platforms like Aave, Spark, and Compound. This strategic pivot was met with widespread applause from the community, seen as a positive step towards sustainable and ethical financial practices. This isn't just about numbers or market strategies. It's about reinvesting in a future where decentralized finance can flourish without compromising on core values. The foundation is even exploring staking options and actively seeking community input to chart its next steps. This evolution signals a move towards a more value-driven ecosystem, where each decision is weighed not only on economic grounds, but also on its ethical implications. As we look to the future, the debate that Vitalik Buterin has sparked is more than just about casinos or funding mechanisms. It's a conversation about what we want the crypto space to represent. Do we want a world driven solely by profit and fleeting trends? Or can we build an ecosystem that values transparency, responsibility, and community? Buterin's call to action is clear. The blockchain community must come together, debate these tough questions, and steer the technology towards a more ethical horizon. His concerns remind us that innovation should not come at the cost of our values. Every new application, every funding decision, should be guided by a commitment to a better, more inclusive future. Vitalik Buterin's stance is a wake-up call for all of us in the crypto space. It challenges us to rethink our priorities and ensure that the innovations we embrace are aligned with our most cherished values. So, what do you think? Is the crypto world straying too far from its ethical roots? Or can we balance innovation with responsibility? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the issues shaping our digital future. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, stay ethical, and keep pushing for a better blockchain.